Good morning, Michael Walsh here, Norwal Farm. This is the completed lambing pens, and now we have to clean the barn in preparation for the does and the ewes. We've got a lot of accumulated wood and materials from different projects, so that's our project. We're going to get this cleaned up and make it ready for the does. We'll bring the hose from the office out here to fill the tank. Electrician's coming tomorrow to wire the barn. I got the bucket out of here, got all those pallets out of here. That bale of straw, I'm gonna clean the sheep portion of the shed tomorrow, and then we'll take that down there to bed the bedding down there. That pile of hay there, that's grass hay. Feed that to the rams. And then we're going to bring the gate. We got one right there. Going to bring it over. We'll come out to here with the gates. Then we'll go over and then go out. So we'll have probably one gate width there at the double doors. That'll give us a bigger section here for the sheep and the does. Secured the gate here with screws. It's just more solid. And then like this one here, we got two boards there, it's screwed together. And down here, I screwed a 2x4. And then when we set the gate across here, we're going to screw that into the 2x4 and that board there. Then we'll wire from that corner out and then over. Then I hung the hay racks. I think that'll be a good place for them. They're just sitting over the edge, not secured there. But there's a lip there. Then I use two screws in there to secure them at the bottom on each one. And it's good and snug. They're not going to lift them up and they're not going to knock them over. So that'll work well. Got the pens bedded in here. Under the mangers is all bedded, so that will be nice and comfortable for the lambs. Nutritions were here today. They've got spotlight up there above this area. And then there's one over there and one over there, so that'll illuminate the whole inside of the barn. They're putting in some outlets over there for us and the switches, and then there's going to be an outlet here. So if we need heat lamps, we've got access to the extension cord. Got the pens all set up. This one is secured to the wall with screws, and then it's wired here. So bring them up in the trailer. We'll just back up here and unload. And then this is the general area here. Just blocked them off that first pen. They don't need that. Hung the mineral feeder on the wall, hay rack there. And they have access to the hay there. Extra panels are here. There's an extra 8-footer if we need it. And then the 4 5-footers that go across the end of the claiming pens. The water tank is right there. New electrical outlet. It's on the wall, so we'll plug the water heater in right there. It floats. So no need to tie it or anything like that. And then we got spotlights in here, there, and one up there. So at night we'll have this well lit. I have allowed access for some more hay. I gotta buy some more. Got room for 7 bales here. We're gonna park the tractor there for now, but if I get more hay in the future, I'll need to probably stack some there. So we'll figure that out as we go. and then we can move the trailer over a bit and probably park the tractor in there. So we do have storage up above, just don't have the stairs up there yet, so we'll be able to store things up there as well. So I'm very pleased with the way this turned out. Today is Friday, February the 9th. Tomorrow, February the 10th, we move the does up here. So getting closer. It's only about 2.5 weeks now till the young goats are due. Got the does sorted over here. We still have to pull the one doe that's open out of there yet. Okay, we're all set up. Hopefully this works. We're going to try it and see. Keeping in mind, these are goats. Come on, girls. One. One. Turn around. Turn around. Go on. Turn around. Got them all loaded up. It's a snug fit, but it's not very far. We're just going up to the barn, so get them up there and get them unloaded. We have arrived, so we're going to unload the ladies and let them enjoy their new home. Come on, girls.
Come on.
Somebody's got to be first. Come on. There we go. Welcome to your new home. Yeah, look at that. While we were here, some of these, there's obviously a pecking order, and so one goat started chasing another and she took a running jump and she hopped right up in the manger. So we're adapting this. I'm putting this railing across there. That way they won't be able to get a running jump and go up in there. So hopefully that will deter them. Keeping that double door closed, take away the temptation for them to escape. They've been in here for about an hour now and they're calming down. The one there chewing her cud is Missy. And they just gotta find their spot, settle down. They're not used to being in this close of quarters. If, you know, being outside, they can move if they want. The injured doe 2138 is laying over here. She's back to normal. So really pleased with how that's working. I had to put that jump rail up because one of them hopped up on the manger right away. So first time I've had goats, so I have to learn what to do. Thanks for joining us today at Norwal Farm. If you haven't, please subscribe to our channel. Click the like button for our video and ring the notification bell to be notified of any future videos. And once again, thanks for joining us at Norwal Farm.